Hey guys, this is Joyce and I am here just with a simple project share. I did 3 of the same projects, and recently about 2 Saturday morning challenge of friends ago, I made this business card holder and I just loved it, and I decided to make a few more. I'm not finished, but I decided to make some more. So I don't have any of the papers out right now, but it's all just stuff that's been in my stash. Some is just from scraps that were, this is that craft and gold set from, that may be still out, and I can tell you who that is. DCWV. And the bling is all from my stash. Everything is from my stash. It's just been there, and I'm just trying to use as much as I can. And so this is the first one. It's black and gold and red. This bling here was these. There was 1 piece left from this, and it is some that has been in there forever, and it was from Jolie. And these blings are no adhesive that I got at Expo last year, and they came in a bag, and I bought like the red ones, the purple ones, and then I think I got some turquoise ones. So this is the business card holder, and this is the first one, and it can fold down and be mailed. And then, because I plan to give them as gifts, so I would fold it down. I would stuff the pockets so it doesn't smash. And then I would probably wrap it in something. But, you know, and then when they open it up, all they would have to do was kind of squish the sides again so that it stands right up. And the bling is there to hold it up. It's like an easel card. So then I did this pink one, and this paper is some paper that I recently bought at Michael's before everything started shutting down, and it was, it was some craft staff, craft what? Sorry guys, I had put everything up because I was going to do a little something else, and I just wanted to get this done. It is Ooh La La from Craftsmith. Sorry. It was from Craftsmith, and I had to get up and go and look. And it's just a piece that was a scrap that was left over. And this is a button that came from my stash of buttons. You would never know I had buttons, right? Because I rarely use buttons. So I'm going to do a video and show you all of my embellishment buttons and brads. And so this is this one, and that's just like one little piece of paper, okay? It does not take a lot of paper to make this. I did use cardstock. The base is 110-pound Michael's cardstock, pink. And then there's that one. And then I did one more. And as you can see, I'm going to do a little short tutorial because this isn't my thing. This is from Splitcoast Stampers. But I'm going to do a little short video after this to actually put one together and show you. And this is the third one. I really love how this came out. I used edge punches on all of them. As you can see, this one is just a scallop. And I used that same scallop for the black and the pink. But this one comes from, I can't show you the edges. So the one I used here is from this, what is it? Crafter's Companion. Yeah. And they've got all these different ones, as you can see. And then I used, I'm sorry, I'm getting it all backwards. I used this one from Crafter's Companion for the green one. So I really like this green. I love this paper, and the paper is from I got that on my desk so I can show you. And then this is the green bling that I got from Wanna Scrap. And when I bought this, I wasn't sure why I bought it, because it's not a color that I do a lot of, but I actually like that color. And it went so well with this paper. And then this piece of gem here, I was in my drawer searching for something to use. I was going to use a button, pulled a couple, the colors weren't right. And I saw this, and in the drawer it looked yellow, but when you put it on this green paper, it doesn't even matter. But I love that I doubled this, because when I cut the one piece, it was one way, and this piece was kind of off. So when I put them together to make them fit and look like they're actually right, I ended up having to cut some of the paper off. And since I backed that because the paper was white, none of the papers are double-sided, so I ended up backing each piece so that I hate that white look when it's not a white project. So I doubled that, and then like I said, I had to cut off some of the edge because it cut crooked. So anyway, I love this paper, and this is where it comes from, this Craftsmith piece of paper. And look how pretty this stuff is. But I bought this, and I wish I had bought two just because I really loved all the foil pieces. And I know I had one sheet left of that. I know there was one sheet left, or at least part of a sheet. But, oh, there it is. This is what the piece, so I used one sheet of paper, and it had some scraps left over. But I just used the one sheet of a, so basically it'll take one 6x6 sheet of paper to make this project, and some cardstock. So that is that, and I'm going to give these as gifts, I think. And then too, I thought about adding a couple to the giveaway I'm doing. So, but anyway, those are my projects, guys. Let me know how you like them, or if you like them, and I will be back because I have so much fun making these. So it's no telling how I do have the paper, this paper cut to make another one, and I'm just going to do a little quick video and maybe put a couple together. So thank you guys for watching, and this is the bling that I used on the pink. It's Wanna Scrap also. If you know, I got lots of Wanna Scrap because every year at Expo I do buy some every year because they always have some decent prices, and you can't beat them. So guys, that is it for this video. I'm going to put that there, and I am going to move these out of the way because they're just too cute. So guys, thanks a lot, and I appreciate you stopping by. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, share it, tell your friends about it, and come on back because, honey, I am creating some stuff, and I got a couple other things coming up, and I'll see you soon. Bye.